Hey everybody. So, if you've clicked through this far, you've actually taken a leap. And I'm so proud and I'm so excited for you to take the leap to this 15-day training course. It's going to cost you $7 to start, and you're going to be in a fantastic group of people and company to learn how to become an affiliate marketer. And I'm so excited because I worked for a company for several years where I actually overachieved what I was supposed to do. And right when I was in the middle of trying to get a house, I ended up losing my job because the company I worked for decided to close the department that I was working in. And I didn't have nowhere to go, didn't know what I was going to do. But all I knew is that I didn't want to put my life in another company's hands where they get to decide if I have a job or not, or if I get to work or not. I didn't want to do that anymore. So I took the leap, just like you are, and I signed up and did the 15-day challenge myself. After I got done, became an affiliate marketer, I got me a new car, and I got my house, plus so much more. So I want you to do it because I'm honestly excited for you. You have no clue how great this is going to be for you. So on the next page, there's going to be a short video from David Sharp, the person who's over the 15-day challenge that you're going to go through, and he's basically just going to explain it to you more in detail. Okay. So let's get it done. And I'm happy to help you along your way on this journey. I'm here to help you. So let's go get it. It's a new beginning. It's a new start. Let's go.